So Isla,
Yes.
I love what I call the cheek trifecta.
What is that?
The cheek trifecta is, first I've got the warm glowing contour, then I've got a little bit of the NARS Orgasm Love that we all love.
The famous color.
And that is just to give you that little bit of life right there.
Okay, and I noticed you're putting on just a little tiny amount.
Right, because we already have something.
Right.
And it's a secret, but like, this is a Donna Mills from The Eyes Have It.
Oh.
She would always take the blusher and pull in the eyebrow.
I like that.
And that way, she would say her dark eyeshadow wasn't just floating. It wasn't like a separate thing.
Oh, right. Donna knew.
Hello. Donna Mills. I used to do Michelle Phillips makeup when I was in the Papas.
Wow.
And Donna Mills at Knott's Landing would go around and she would knock on everyone's trailer and offer her makeup.
Really? Donna, come do a video with us. That sounds like fun.
You see, when you're a makeup artist, you can't help yourself. You have to do makeup.
Yeah.
We've got the trifecta now. So we've got the cheek. We've got the hair that I just can't stop touching.
Great job, Scott.
I'm using the Rosemary Swift Living Luminizer, and that is the highlight that is going to make it all come alive.
Oh my gosh. I need to buy this.
Everyone needs to buy this. RMS.
Is it on Amazon?
It is on Amazon. And then I always go there, down a little bit, and then we go up where the thinking is. And that draws in the thinking.
Wow. Well, that's good. When I'm writing, I'll put a lot on.
I know, so I'm gonna get everybody
Yeah.
to put Living Luminizer on before
Yes.
math tests or SATs.
Definitely.
Is that magic?
What? Well, we all need some magic.
I can't get enough. Really pretty.
Oh, look how great it looks, Scott. Oh, you're a master.
Oh, stop. You're just gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
We've got our gorgeous eye on, we've got the gorgeous cheek, we're putting a lip that is to die for, is from Dior Addict, it's Stellar Shine, and it is a magic color.
Wow. Sounds great.
It's gorgeous.
So, since we're focusing on the eye, we don't want to do too much on the lip, is that
Right,
the
but
idea?
this is actually a little bit of a balanced lip. How do you feel, gorgeous?
great? I love it.
You are one foxy lady.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much for making me look so good. Wow, I love it.
Please come back again and be a
I'm
special guest star again.
Definitely. Anytime you ask me, I'll be back.
Okay. This has been Scott Patric Beauty.
And Isla Mel.
And Isla Mel as my special guest star.
Yay.
And welcome to the Love Boat. You're
Do we get the anchor around the face?
love,
Yay.
life's sweetest reward. Come aboard.